In this video, I'll show you how to import a design into BASE44. First, open your web browser, go to the BASE44 website, and sign into your account. Then open an existing project or create a new app. Next, locate the option to import or upload a design if it's available in your version of BASE44. If you're importing from a design tool like Figma, copy the design link or export the required assets according to the supported import method. Now, upload your design or paste the design link into BASE44. If you're using the AI builder, you can also describe the design you want or ask it to recreate a design from your imported assets. Wait while BASE44 processes the design and generates the user interface. After that, review the imported screens and make any necessary adjustments. You can use the AI chat to refine the layout, update colors, change fonts, improve spacing, or add interactive features that weren't included in the original design. Finally, preview your application to make sure the imported design looks and functions as expected. Once you're satisfied with the results, save your changes and publish your app. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to import a design into BASE44. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.